Hey guys, look at this! Another one of those Pokemon that the game doesn't tell you can actually find in the wild. That's right, we're going to catch ourselves a Garbodor. There are several places where you can find them. If you have the side mission 74, you can find one in the Vert Sector 8. You can find an Alpha in the Jones Sector 5, and I found myself in the Jones Sector 7. Let me show you the map to see exactly where I've gone to. You can also find them in the Wild Zone, but in the Wild Zone number 20. So it's going to take quite a while until you get there. At full health with a normal Pokeball, they have a 14.8% chance to be caught. Good luck!